Okay, in the last video, I made a custom seat for a 67 Ford F100. This video, I got the door skins done to match the seat, but I want to show you a cool way to attach the door skins to the door. Let's go. Now this might not work on all your applications, but in this particular one, we're going to use sheet magnets, okay? We're going to attach the magnet to the door skin, and then it's going to stick right on the door skin itself. Let me show you. Let me go through it with you right now. We're going to cut it, glue it, get it fastened. This will be cool. Check this out. So we got the magnets here. Obviously, this is the side that gets glued, and this is the magnet side. What I recommend you do is, well, you gotta wipe it down, but put a little heat to it, blow dryer, etc. Just heat this up so it lays flat before you start gluing. All right. So what I want to do first, we're gonna cut these to fit, because obviously, as you can see, they're bigger than what I need. All right, let's do it.
5 minutes later.
All right, there she is. Door skin off. Door skin on. Well, kinda. It's got a liner back up. The magnet's pretty strong. Boom. That's off. But anyway, you get the idea. You get the idea. This. There you go. Isn't that cool? Using these magnets, it's not a new thing, but just wanted to show you, they work great for headliners too. Stick the headliner right to the top of the truck. You know, it's got to be metal though. American cars, you know, metal. So I'm going to finish up. I'm going to put this door skin together with the magnet, stick her back on, and we're done. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Check out all the other videos. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.